we are just me comment kakra on intro now we start you know nana and then my presentation you know me share Zelenskyy ni Trump kakra me hu before kakra na cause over office. I'm not too strong when it comes to foreign politics, but na me read it around and I want to just sum it up. And I say time na Biden or no mama Ukraine lot of resources,
but your brother Facebook na share the Eugene say to our head of research here you know e do Saturday see kukrantumia ye do call nneoma mu yi no mate ase yi near breaking it down into do Saturday mentie ne keke over Facebook Instra 104.5 kukrantumia Eugene ebe break it down say what the echo USC the echo so first no yeah say Russia and Ukraine Russia and Ukraine no Eugene ba be church the echo so ne Russia and Ukraine no
nana so when Russia decided to invade Ukraine in name the story na affect the economy any bibia na when it happened Nana Biden the Democrat government was in power so they were supporting Zelenskyy so if no comedian no be president nana among for Felisa Trump Biden wa halt even the military intervention at the Ukraine and I no can hold before ne ko see the Oval Office ne see because of Felisa as a Trump down fully Putin and I the Russian issue between the US election and no possible interference and so Felisa some military intervention now hot they hand because Russia will grow strong because Ukraine do not have the necessary military capacity to withstand. And then before they buy, the another flip side of it is that most European countries, favor Ukraine because of the whole, NATO alliance and the same. But another thing say because of Trump, a young Kufa with Putin, once I halted sharing of intelligence to Ukraine, once I halted the military intervention, the man for Felix, I said, well, machinations and I did go be, I'm a Putin. And I said, well, pressure Zelenskyy send your bar accept a peace deal and terminate Kano as well. But Zelenskyy said, they will no more can say Siano or do to my M1 mine.
There's a Metiwasia first and Tokwaba.
Yes.
Omakwabe 3 years.
Yes.
Now Donald Trump on so buy.
Yes.
Or no, there was say, adie bia emfam faso bia ma no mfa nsikanship
yes.
eno ababe hu se USA edi over 200-300 billion
yes
ayen to kwa faso bia ma so
na in fact USA si ko de ahye no Europe de ri nya yo mo the same the entire European state and the European Union si ko mo de ama Ukraine US nko was as one country etime atua ni nyina
enti na ya na ne buofu se
yes
mo pese ya mu nyina obi entua pepepe
yes
and now on who say USA for no mutua more
yes
and so also onye biem
yes
and yes so obeye dia and ye ne hono ye wo minerals bi wo ho America yenso ye hia
yes
enti ene so opese ye sa egusua be support dia
yes
maye kwan ne emetu sa agudie no
yes
be 500 billion
yes
na
enfanteka
ne emeboa
yes enti na nenti no hot military intervention no enti na no hot ye no so no most Ukrainians na mentie research bi on the I think on Al Jazeera
yeah
most Ukrainians na say na afono enti omunya Zelenskyy engum kakra na ne popularity so kofom the popularity no from now approval ratings no from and then a rock and a hard place or accepting US deal now or hand over resources to the US the only countries that know what the right machines FDA military or the Europe or there but Zelenskyy tilts more towards the US military intervention Trump also says I hand out to say free mejai me from Kobio new Ukraine and adema intelligence community no omo pay intelligence intelligence are US ebe share no or some firm you. So Trump is literally forcing the hand of Zelenskyy to accept the deal.
Nezon farm say ebia Russia for ne baba betu weapon bi first na nke de be ma.
Yes.
Ti see farm.
Nti
wo hwa bonsi a blast.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's the whole issue. That's the whole issue where they before no buy.
But said the Trump on so you know. I mean, or no a businessman. And when who say sika no on fan ko she baby.
Yeah.
Enti the Trump na no so can ne say onimpefe say US and Russia for Ruby say baby obi ajapade wo no yenko ho.
Yes.
Enti Trump strategically saying that although say minerals mpese mitu no say Russia for nya hu say US for ewo minerals a good dear be a wo mu to Ukraine Russia for ntimi ma. Enti that means it is going to stop Russia for say
at what terms? because Trump is negotiating from as an Ghana and China bilateral agreement.
Yeah.
That is why some of us say that we must negotiate with the Chinese and the US as a bloc. Africa. Because Nana, Trump is coming from a place of in quote unquote a bully.
Yeah, we bully. They be a.
Nana what I say. It will show you walking. Yes, so mama me no na. Say Russia ni who's the US near their own because Russia in their minds and they know that US is a power state compared to them.
Yeah.
But Zelenskyy say at what terms?
I think say
because I feel certain Biden time no. And this proposition came, Zelenskyy would have accepted. But I think say Zelenskyy doesn't trust Trump because Trump's close proximity to Putin is an issue.
As a Trump per Russia assemble.
Yes. And per Russia or per Putin, na down for Putin.
And she US for so ne Russia for any shiasa.
Yes.
And a Trump on so about say ye town for now so need.
Yes. It is Zelenskyy in the mind no. Maybe say oh Trump oh say Putin 2.0.
Okay, but okay, being fair so no. Say Trump on so any USA ewe japadia the rule will suffice.
Yes.
It means that at least they said they're okay. Say bia yenim say entokweba. USA phone betimi aboa ye ntokwa no. Yenim say ye kwama nso adu bia omo betimi nya baby a $20 billion. Anka ye de ade. But yenim say USA for betu a emma Togo ni Cote d'Ivoire for no emma dia. And ye nyina nso pass die.
Banana ebra US pause ye no. Germany, other European countries no increase your budget to Ukraine. So Zelenskyy is confused because Gabona US the amano no Europe will feed in, but Philistine kunya US the kaibebuano. But I think that now with time, and now I've shot the documentary now with time. That's our popularity we never no Ukraine for na gona no mabre. Oti school ani abodon e so kotete. On Korea wunis and I think that with time no he will come back
but we are getting the feed he say Tuesday no. It's likely say in Saudi Arabia Tuesday likely ebi o mesaba na Zelenskyy akwa sign say Donald Trump say obe support he's counting on the words of Donald Trump.
Trump dey a businessman o kaso obebem ono kaso onya wonye o who say USA today this week na the Supreme Court a block what you say na no kura no matese ye say ye omulose wi obetimi asan ya court so on tie ase na no what you say it mean the papa we dey ono a businessman o ka say AIA BAB then no USA me bi omo ye documentary bi so ko South Africa na country is wo South Africa so omo ye so o kati e na be ko so me wo mu fo bia o ka so bia nkonya bia so na that's my first. My second story is this
where are they?
The Bank of Ghana headquarters. That's my second story.
I see.
Now this week, I'm not for me tested me privately. Eugene,